Ladies and gentlemen, Mytaxio service is a next generation taxi ordering service that allows you to book, track and relax in your taxi. Mytaxio allows you to avoid traditional ways of ordering a taxi by telephone, attempting to wave one down in the street, or having to download several booking apps to try and come and collect you. It's going to be the next generation of distributed cloud-based taxi booking solutions. Let's see how it makes rides easier. Here's the person looking for a taxi. No taxi has stopped by and the local operator has said it will be 45 minutes for a taxi ride. It seems to be quite difficult to order a taxi during peak hours. The passenger can download the app from the App Store and register for an account using their email address and mobile phone number. The pickup point of the user will automatically be calculated by the app, and the drop-off place can be entered using voice recognition, with the location being displayed on the map inside the app. Once the destination has been confirmed, the passenger will see the estimated cost and then press the Request Taxi button to confirm. The request goes directly to the nearest council registered driver app, and the passenger will be able to check out the driver's profile as well. The driver receives a request and they have to confirm the pickup within 60 seconds. Otherwise, the request will be sent to the next nearest taxi. The driver has accepted the request now, and the passenger receives notification that the driver has confirmed the request. So, now my taxi can be tracked to my location. The driver has taken the passenger and dropped them at the requested place. The fare will be automatically calculated and displayed on the driver's smart meter app, like any traditional taxi meter. The passenger will pay for the discounted taxi ride by cash, card, or prepaid Mytaxio credit. Instantly, the passenger will have access to the e-receipt that will be available for download inside the passenger's application upon the successful completion of the payment. The passenger will be able to rate the journey and share the experience through social media and invite family and friends to the service, enabling them to enjoy loyalty credit for future rides. In conclusion, Mytaxio is a simple, safe, user-friendly app which can also be adapted by any taxi operator with any number of taxis, as Mytaxio is bringing supply and demand to one place. For more details, please log on to www.mytaxio.com or come over and say hi on our social media profiles. We're a really friendly bunch, trying our best to improve your taxi experience. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.